Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video we are going to show how we can install Android Studio 3.1 without any errors. So you have to go in any of the browser and search for Android Studio, like I searching, and go in developer.android.com website and download your preferred version. If you are on Mac, then automatically it will says 3.1 for Mac, or if you are on Windows, it will automatically says 3.1 for Windows. So I already downloaded it, as you can see here. So I just click on this DMG file, and it will verifying that DMG file for this machine. So just drag this icon to application folder. As you can see, it will now copying the Android Studio to my application folder. So basically it's a installation process for Mac, so we have to wait about 10 seconds to complete it. So just wait for some time. You have to make sure that whenever you install the Android Studio on any PC or Mac, you must have to connected with internet, so it will downloaded some required files for that. So now the Android Studio has been copied over here, so I just click here, and it will now open. As you can see, it's again verifying, so just wait for some minutes. Okay, so now just click on this open button, and it will open Android Studio, and choose your directory. Now if you have earlier version, then you can choose custom location and choose the location. For this I will choose do not import setting, and then click OK. As you can see, now it will loading it, and downloading some SDK files and components. As you can see, now Android setup is that. Now click on next, standard, next, the theme you like to, I will choose with default one, and as you can see, it will downloaded 970 MB of file, which contains the Android emulator, Android SDK builds, platform 27, SDK platform tools, Android SDK tools, Android support repository, Google repository, Intel x86 emulator accelerator, or HAXM installer, SDK patch, and source for Android 27. So just to finish, and it will downloading all the component. If you are click on this show button, it will showing the all downloaded file, downloading and extracting. So after all downloaded complete, I will continue this video. So guys, the all downloading has been completed, so I will just click on this finish button. So as you can see, this our Android Studio now has been installed. So just create a new project from here. I will name it as my application, and will next and choose your SDK version. So as you can see that whenever we change our SDK from here, it will automatically says that approximately this percentage of device has running this version. So if I go higher, then the amount will be less. If I go lower, then amount will be high. So I prefer to use 5.1 because nowadays many of have this version. If you go for 5.4, it will says 90, and if you go with 5.1, then it will 62 percentage. So I will recommended you to choose either 4.4 or 5.1. So choose SDK version, and next choose any activity for our this tutorial purpose. I will choose empty activity, then just next, and don't change the name here, and next, and as you can see that requested component done, now finished, and it will building your Gradle file for your project. So after Gradle file has been completed, I will continue this video. So as you can see now, the Gradle build is finished, and if you are creating first time, then you will see that welcome message now. So for this, I will just check this and close. As you can see now, we have, so I will just go in full screen mode, and we have to create an AVD from here. Just click on AVD, click on create virtual device. Now select your device, and click on next, choose your SDK. It will again downloading SDK. For this I will choose this API level 27, which is 8.1 Oreo. So just downloaded it, so just accept it, and click on next. It will download that SDK version for your Android virtual device, and after downloading complete, we will show how we can create a virtual device with that SDK. So just click on this, create new virtual device, select your device, choose next, and download API level 27, which is 8.1 Oreo, and accept it, and next. After it downloaded, we will continue this video again. So now the downloaded is completed, so just click on finished, and click on select this Oreo, and click on next, and as you can see that you can name it your AVD. I will just use this name. Just click on finished, and wait for 1 to 2 minutes to complete the AVD. So now the AVD has been created, so you can now just click on this play button and start AVD, and testing your app on this every day. So that's it for this video. In next video we are going to see what is new in this Android Studio 3.1. so like, share and subscribe my channel, and if you have any other query related any other video, so just write below in comment section, and I will answer all of your query. Thank you very much.